Hello my English learners, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Study with Khushi. Today is my English speaking challenge day 2. First of all guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Khushi Singh. I am from Kaushambi, Uttar Pradesh. I am a student and currently I am preparing for competitive exam like SSC. I belong to a simple family and I am improving my English speaking day by day. I believe that guys, small daily efforts can make big changes in life. Guys, honestly speaking, I am not fluent in English speaking right now. I also make mistakes while speaking English. Sometimes my grammar is wrong, my pronunciation is not correct, but I am not afraid of making mistakes because I believe that mistakes are part of learning. I practice English daily, even it is a broken English. Guys, I want to sharing my English speaking journey with you. Earlier, I was very scared to speak English. I used to think that people will laugh at me, people will judge me. But one day I realized something very important. English is just a language. It is not a measure of intelligence. If you want to learn English, you have to start speaking. Guys, if you are also afraid of speaking English, then the video is for you. Please remember one thing, confidence comes from practice, not perform perfection. If you practice English just 10 minutes daily, you will see improvement. You know guys, consistency and patience are the key to success. Guys, let me share my daily English speaking practice routine with you. First, I speak English in front of the mirror. Second, I read English sentences loudly. Sometimes I talk to myself in English. Yes, guys, it really helps. I also try to think in English instead of thinking in Hindi. Guys, slowly but my confidence is improving. Guys, today the weather is very clear. For the last few days it was very cold here. I really enjoy winter season. I like drinking hot tea in winter. Talking about daily life helps a lot in English speaking. Guys, as I told you earlier, I am preparing for competitive exams like SSC. Because of my studies, sometimes I am not able to upload videos daily, but I am trying my best to upload videos at least once a week. Guys, if you are also learning English and preparing for exams like me, then you are not alone. We are learning together, we are growing together. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support motivates me a lot and increase my confidence. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next.